Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Starters, Rudra is, as I was telling in my earlier videos with and chatting with you, I'm a dreamer. ठीक है? I like to dream और बचपन से ही मैंने बहुत सपने देखे हैं. People are, you can't find like friends there. मेरे एक सीनियर हैं, उन्होंने मुझे day 1 पे बोला था तुम यहाँ पे दोस्त बनाने नहीं आई हो रुद्रा, these are your colleagues. कोई क्लब्स हो गया, कोई कंपटीशन हो गए, always ask the question why. हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो हमारे जो प्रोफेसर्स हैं वो हमें बिल्कुल ये करने के लिए एकदम ना बोलते हैं. ये पहली दिन है, that's your first day of doing something new.
Hi everyone and hi Rudra. Welcome on board to the Real Humans of E-Schools.
Hi everyone. I hope the quarantine is dealing well with you guys. And hi Rahul, how are you?
I am doing awesome. हम तो आधे घंटे से बात ही कर रहे थे, recording हमने अब चालू किया, but nevertheless, first thing first, people are listening to us, guys. Watch this video till the end. This girl is 20th of age and she's cracked. I'm Ahmedabad at 20th of age. Am I right, Rudra?
Yes, I did.
That is so amazing. और अंदर जाके भी इसने छक्के मारे हैं, placement भी kill किया है, वो हम बातें बाद में करेंगे. First thing first, Rudra, in the Real Humans of E-School, you have to be really real. Tell me about your real self. What are you as a person? What is this Rudra girl who's just 20, who's full of bubbling with energy, who's like, now we have friends, we've been talking past months now, and I really like you as a person. But what are you? What's Rudra?
So, for starters, Rudra is, as I was telling in my earlier videos with and chatting with you, I'm a dreamer. ठीक है? I like to dream और बचपन से ही मैंने बहुत सपने देखे हैं and I think that's a very good quality and everybody who is a dreamer, please continue being that. It's fine. आज पूरे नहीं होंगे, कभी ना कभी होंगे. First thing is that. Second thing, this Rudra is a girl who is very ambitious and competitive, but with her own self. मैं किसी और से compete करने में इतना मानती नहीं हूँ. मैं खुद से I want to be a better human being every day. And apart from that, I am a single child to two working parents and have been independent most of my life because both my parents were working and all. So
Wow.
that's the real me.
That's so amazing. That's
Yeah.
amazing. Single parent मतलब मॉम ने बोला एक है भैया बस और नहीं
They
चाहिए.
were more than happy.
That's
Yeah.
great यार. Rudra, what keeps you going यार? तूने अंदर जाके पेन भी फाड़ा है, placement भी फाड़ा है, मेहनत किया है, you know, and there is no there'll be always haters. I'm sure जब तेरा हो गया होगा लोगों ने बोला अरे रुद्रा का कैसे हो गया? You know, I'm sure about that. I'm sure. So I'll talk about how do you deal with haters, but उसके पहले मुझे ये बता,
हाँ.
what are the some qualities you have which is helping you to survive in this competitive environment?
First things first, believe in yourself. ठीक है? Because in this B school, it's one thing is that everybody goes into a B school. These people are, you can't find like friends there. मेरे एक senior हैं, उन्होंने मुझे day 1 पे बोला था तुम यहाँ पे दोस्त बनाने नहीं आई हो रुद्रा, these are your colleagues. ठीक है? And I was a 20-year-old girl going to a place and I was so excited कि दोस्त बनेंगे, ये बनेगा, group बनेगा, hang करेंगे. It's not like that. Every minute of that, every day over there at the campus, it's full of giving your best shot 24/7, being on your A game. So first things first, believe in yourself. ठीक है? No matter what people tell you कि क्या नहीं हो पाएगा तेरे से 20 पे, तुझसे नहीं होगा यार, कैसे कर लेगी तू, तेरे मुंह पे दिखता है कि तू बच्ची है, कैसे दिखाएगी कि तू mature enough है कि तू एक B स्कूल में survive कर सकती है, etc. First things first, believe in yourself. Second thing is don't settle for less. Please don't settle for less. Everybody knows what they deserve. ठीक है? आज क्या होता है during your preparation, I've seen so many of my friends who have settled for less ये बोल के कि यार एक साल हो गया CAT prep करके नहीं मिला वो वाला college जो चाहिए था, I'm just settling. But no, don't do it. Because that will never work. Even in the B school, so what used to happen was कि कोई clubs हो गया, कोई competition हो गए, always ask the question why. The third thing that I have is inquisitiveness. I'm an inquisitive child and I've been inquisitive all my life. The question why is very important for me. During my preparation also, अगर कुछ नहीं आता था तो why, क्यों नहीं आ रहा है ये, क्यों नहीं गया mock ठीक, क्यों नहीं आए marks. So
That's
be inquisitive in the college also. So I think these three qualities are what are my pillars right now. And the last thing is, please be humble and have empathy. I cannot emphasize this more. जब तुम बी स्कूल के अंदर जाते हो, people over there get a bit on air कि हम बी स्कूल आ गए हैं, ए आ गए, बी आ गए, सी आ गए,
ये
सही
एक
तो आ
मिनट,
गए.
लेट मी इंटरप्ट. ये अहमदाबाद
Yes.
वालों की चौड़ थोड़ी अलग ही होती है, मैं जानता हूँ. तू रहने दे रुद्रा. I know ये लोग अपने air, मतलब air is a small word for all these guys. I love them. I've got very good friends from Ahmedabad. जो who are my in fact one of my very close partner is from Ahmedabad, and I've stayed with a roomie so who was from A again. पर चौड़ तो तुम्हारी बहुत होती है, right? आ ही जाता है. But
I think उल्टा उल्टा मेरे को ऐसा है कि जब हम एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना, अगर हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो हमारे जो प्रोफेसर्स है वो हमें बिल्कुल ये करने के लिए एकदम ना बोलते हैं. लाइक दे मेक श्योर दैट हम भूल जाए स्पेशली. बट क्या हो जाता है राइट, कि इतना भी मत भूल जाओ कि तुम अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाओ. ठीक है, अपना बैलेंस बना के रखो कि इट्स फाइन. ओके, बी ऑन योर रूट्स, बी रिमेम्बर फ्रॉम वेयर यू हैव कम, व्हाट इज योर स्टोरी. एंड द लास्ट थिंग बिफोर आई फॉरगेट, मैं हमेशा मेरे जो भी दोस्त है, जो भी मेरे जूनियर्स है, उनको एक ही चीज बोलती हूँ कि यार, डोंट कंपेयर योर फर्स्ट डे विद समबडी एल्सेस 100th डे. ओके, तुम्हारे कोई भी जर्नी में, प्रेपरेशन जर्नी, बी स्कूल जर्नी, पहली बार एक्सेल कर रहे हो शायद बी स्कूल में जाके, पहला इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, वो तेरी पहली दिन है. दैट्स योर फर्स्ट डे ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग न्यू. Don't compare it with an engineer who has done 3 years work X and has done Excel for his life. नहीं होने वाला
तेरे को
है,
नहीं आएगा एक्सेल भाई.
नहीं आएगा. It's not. तो कोस मत खुद को. तो कंपेयर करना है तो किसी ऐसे करना. So this is how I sustain.
We overbeat ourselves sometimes. अरे वो ऐसा कैसे कर रहा है, वो ऐसे कैसे कर रहा है. In fact, I was trying to do YouTube live yesterday, पहली बार वो OBS system के साथ, and I was like shit, मैंने तन्मय भट्ट रोज रात को खड़ा हो जाता है, गड़ overbeat stream कर रहा है, और मेरे को पहली बार देना कंपेयर यार, तन्मय भट्ट है भाई, तू पहली बार कर रहा है, it's going to take time. So I fucked up, but I did it, and it's very important. It's very important to take the shots rather than not doing it.
That's the thing. But that's the thing I'm telling you guys, that ये चीज तो याद रखनी है कि बाय फर्स्ट डे और 100 डे को कंपेयर नहीं करना है, अपने आप को नीचे नहीं गिराना है. मैं हूँ, ठीक है, मेरी स्टोरी ये है, मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ. दैट्स इट. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ and yeah, please work hard. There is no excuse for that.
That's great. Since
please work hard.
Two things more which I wanted to ask you in my notes. पहली बात तो यार, how's the life? ये तूने एक और इंटरव्यू में बताया था that life is not like 2 states. So is it like 2 states?
Yeah. No, not at all. It's not 2 states. Okay, 2 states is a love story. If you are lucky, you will find love on campus. But before that, you have to start loving your passion. Why did you ever enter the B school? Okay? There are some of my friends who have like had a passion of coming to IME, and then there are some people who didn't wanted to come. But जो भी reason है, तुम उस opportunity में बैठे हो, उस opportunity को प्यार करना सीखो, and after that only you're going to you're going to go ahead and exploit it. So the B school life is very different.
Let me interrupt and make it interesting for the people who are listening to us. 2 State is a love story, and Ahmedabad maybe love story. Rudra, I'm not getting into details.
So
okay.
I just got lucky, I must say. But
okay.
Nevertheless, it's just that apart from all of this, it's what is a B school life? As I always say, MBA is not कि तुम गए और तुमने बहुत सारी पढ़ाई कर ली because तुम एक इंजीनियर थे या जो भी बैकग्राउंड से थे. MBA is an holistic thing. वो तुम्हें तुम्हारे आगे के 30 साल कॉर्पोरेट में कैसे जीने वो सिखाने वाला है वहां पे बैठे बैठे. ठीक है, तो वो कैसे सिखाता है वो? There are late nights, there are early mornings, there are unsaid, unscheduled PPTs that you have to give. There is a lot of new things that you're going to take up, and it's like तुम 3 महीने बाद अपने आप को देखोगे, तुम you'll see back 3 महीने में तुम बिलीव नहीं करोगे कि 3 महीने में तुमने इतना सब कुछ कर लिया है. That's the good side of it. Bad side is high level of stress, a lot of anxiety, even depression hits you some days. But yeah, you have been chosen in one of the best, so तुझ में कुछ देखा है, वो याद रख and get up. Yeah.
मैं तो बोलता हूँ, लाइफ में तुमने एक बार रोए नहीं ना अगर, तो तुमने कुछ किया ही नहीं है यार. Life में रोए नहीं है ना, it means your emotions are not into that. Whether it's CAT prep, whether it's MBA prep, whether it's IIT or NIT. When I was doing for my IIT, मतलब रोए हैं, मतलब I can just smile about it. I've seen my my best friend, you know, हम लोग वो टेबल पे बैठते थे, वो हम लोग बचपन में शेयर करते ना, अंदर कंपास से मार्क करते, आधा टेबल मेरा, आधा टेबल तेरा. So guy
Yeah.
who I used to sit, he committed suicide. I was sharing
Ooh.
my space with the guy and he committed suicide. I could just smile over it and I can just think back and see what the fuck. I was in 11th standard, like 17, 16. But we all go through depressions, even at the top colleges. So, Rudra, how to
Yes.
fight that, yaar? Tu the strong bandi hai, but I'm sure apne bhi highs and lows hote hain. How do you fight with it if something goes wrong?
Yes. Okay. So how do I fight with my low days is first things first, never forget your backbones. Backbone कोई भी हो सकता है. Your family, your mother, your dad, your brother, your best friend, anyone. Every position, everywhere you go in your life, never ever forget your backbone, because no matter what, they are the ones who've seen you growing. So remember them. Okay. What else do I used to do is I started meditating, which helped me a lot. And मैंने decide कर लिया था कि पूरे दिन में if 15 minutes to half an hour, if I can give myself to do anything I like, anything, be it just binge watching something, just going on a walk, playing with the dogs, it what that's all will keep you going. And honestly, कितना भी बोलो, depression MBA life का एक अलग होता है. उसके पहले जो depression होता है, वो depression नहीं, वो self sabotage होता है. तुम खुद को नीचे गिराते रहते हो ये सोच के कि दूसरा ऊपर जा रहा है. उसको depression नहीं बोलते, right? So stop doing that. Don't put yourself down.
और वो दूसरा तुमसे इतना नालायक है, इतना नालायक है, वो तो 2-3 साल रुकोगे, you laugh over it, यार ये बंदा, इसके कारण I was like self-sabotaging myself, right?
That's happened, right? Like I am like a living example about that. I don't think like in my greatest dreams कि मेरे स्कूल में से मेरे बैच में से किसी ने सोचा भी होगा that you know रुद्रा कहीं जाके she'll go to the IMA. I don't even think on the first day of my campus, the first month, anybody would have thought that यार इसको management consulting. मैंने खुद ने नहीं सोचा था कि मैं brain convert करूंगी, right? So it's fine, you give surprises, but don't get shocked with these surprises. Be proud that you can do it, because
That's
the
so
sky is the limit. You can do it.
ये जो this sky is the limit चीज जो होती है, ये हम लोग सुनते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, but you know when things, it's like leveling up in the games, people who play games, they know what I'm talking about. You know, तुम games में
Yeah.
level up होते हो, फिर अक्ल आती है, वो sky is the limit सुना हुआ है. Yeah, whatever you think, it happens, you know. It's
Yeah.